Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today I am joined with Tanta Nova and my mom, and we are going to be making potato lefse today. Norwegian potato lefse.
Now we really like potato lefse, especially when they're hot off the griddle.
And what's so very nice about this is that when you have had a mashed potato for dinner the night before or the day before, and you have leftovers, what are you gonna do with the leftovers?
Make potato lefse.
Yes!
And they make absolutely wonderful potato lefse the next day. This has been a tradition in Norway for a long time.
Yeah.
And in the olden days, you know, they didn't want to get rid of leftovers, so they reused them. And one of the ways they did it was they took their mashed potatoes and put a little bit of the flour that they had in the house, and we just mix it all together with the mashed potatoes, and voila! And there you go. What do you say? How do you say that in Norwegian?
Voila!
Yeah.
I have no idea. Knock, snack, nå koker vi! We'll start with the mashed potatoes, and this is usually cold from straight from the refrigerator. The colder the better. After we put some salt in, we'll take a little at a time of the flour.
The flour makes it a little tougher.
Yeah.
So you only want enough flour to make it be able to roll into a lefse.
You can also use a mixer if you want that.
So why don't we put it back in the fridge for a little bit, and then it will cool it off.
Divide it into small pieces and put the pieces back in the refrigerator so they stay cold. So just like when we were doing flatbrød, we have to have flour on the bottom. It's pretty thin. The less flour, the better.
Yes.
So this is very, very soft dough.
Right.
It's just very, very soft.
That looks so good, Ami. Oh, look at it bubble. That is a happy dough.
The first one we have to try.
Doesn't it look fantastic?
So good.
Oh, let's have a little piece. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this.
It's beautiful.
Let's try it. But you can also use it for hot dogs. Often when you go into a gas station and want a hot dog in Norway, you can choose between bread or these.
Yeah. What are these called in
They're
Norway?
called lompe.
For short, lumpe, but it is a potato lefse. When our mother was a young kid, you know, she grew up with these. She would have them often, and they were made with barley flour, so mashed potato and barley flour. And during the Second World War, you know, Norway was occupied, and they didn't have much food, so they would make these potato lefse because Norwegians can grow potatoes really well. So she got her fill of them during World War II. So when we were growing up, we didn't get them very often, did we?
No.
Can I have one?
Hi, Kaya.
Oh.
Okay, come on around and you can have your fresh
There
one.
you go, kiddo. This one is fresh, ready to... There you are. Ready to go. Do you want it? It's hot.
Thank you.
I might be back. Okay. Was it good, Kaya? Really good. Come here, I'll give you another. You can tell these don't last very long around our house.
No, they don't.
When they come off of the griddle, we put them in between a cloth to make sure that they don't dry out.
You can freeze it well, or just put in a plastic bag. This is our second batch because it goes so fast, so we need more.
We need more.
Yeah.
We need more. So we'll try again.
They disappear so
They
quickly.
disappear so quickly, we have to make another batch.
Very easy recipe to make gluten-free. You just use a gluten-free flour.
Oh, good. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
That was
So
amazing.
much fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video.
Bye.
Bye.
We should say ha det.
Ha det. Ha det.